Well, here's a nice view, nice sunny morning here in January 2020. A nice view of the 4 cabins we call the Chantilly tiny house village. We'll go take a closer look inside at one of these beautiful cabins or tiny homes. Oh, here we are at the front of the cabins. You can see the sun shining here. The cabins face south, so we have a nice south slope and nice warm environment here in the morning. And see part of the walkway. All the cabins are tied together with a common walkway. And just swing out here a little bit. See the nice view that we have. Sun is right off there to the south. And all the cabins are the same. All the tiny houses are the same. They're 392 square feet. We're using them currently as office space for our corporation. But you see there, one end is the full kitchen with sink, stove, microwave, refrigerator. And we have several desks in this office. And you see the loft up there, which could be a sleeping loft. We're using it for storage at the moment. Mini split on the wall for heating. I pulled the curtains back here. Normally keep those closed, but the back part of the cabin there we use for just general storage. Each desk here is by a window, so a nice view. You see a little bit of it there through the door window. And another loft on this end of the cabin. So 2 sleeping lofts in each area. We'll take a quick peek here in the bathroom. It's a nice bath with a vanity. Window to the outside. Full toilet and shower. And we heat the water here with a on-demand hot water heater. So all 4 of these are the same. They're intended for living, and at some point these will be rental cabins or full living cabins. But right now we're using them as a corporate office with 4 separate buildings making up the office, and all tied together in the front with a common walkway. These beautiful cabins.